Klutch mechanics tool sets are professional-grade hand tools built strong to provide long-lasting superior performance. Sockets are made of chrome vanadium steel with a polished chrome finish. Each socket has high visibility markings for easy size identification while you're working. Teardrop quick release ratchets have push-button release for fast, easy socket changes on the job. Sidewall drive sockets use surface drive technology, applying force to the walls of the fastener instead of the points, resulting in longer fastener life. Klutch tool sets include chrome vanadium sockets, quick release ratchets, bit sets, drive tools, specialty tools, and more. Each set fits into a custom blow-molded plastic case for easy storage. We stand behind our tool sets with an industry-leading, limited lifetime warranty for worry-free ownership. This 97-piece set offers a wide selection of tools for big jobs, including 71 sockets in 1/2, 3/8, and 1/4 inch drive sizes, both SAE and metric, along with 8 drive tools, 5 combo wrenches, and 13 specialty tools for a set that will see plenty of use wherever your project takes you.